This tutorial will cover WAGO's advanced visualization capability. I'm going to open up a program here, and you can see I just have a couple variables that I'm incrementing, MW0, MW1, and MW2. And I'm just going to go online and download this to the PLC here. I'm going to run the program, and you can see the numbers increasing here at 100 millisecond update time. Now I'm going to FTP transfer to the PLC and open up the webserve folder. And I'm going to copy 3 files in there. I'm going to copy index2.ssi, logo.jpg, and taglist.xml. Once these are done copying, I'm going to open these files and show you what's inside of them. Pretty straightforward. In the taglist.xml, I just have basically 2 lines defining my 2 variables, var1 and var2, for MW0 and MW1 respectively. And then in my index2.ssi file, you can see this is a standard HTML document. I've got a header where I'm defining some colors. I've got some JavaScript here to identify the browser and open that taglist.xml document. And then at the bottom, I've got some code here for a button on the screen to reset the counter. So looking a little closer here at the tag list, you can see var1 and var2 associated with those 2 MW variables. And then this is where we're actually referencing them in the JavaScript. You can see there the var1 and var2 lines. And then down at the bottom you can see the reset button, and that's associated with MW2. Then here we have an update interval of 250 milliseconds, which can also be adjusted. So let's take a look at the performance using just some different web browsers. Here's Firefox. I'm just going to bring up the PLC's web page. And it defaults to index.ssi. I just need to modify that to our new SSI document, index2.ssi. And you can see the update time is very quick. What's nice about this is it's not using Java. It's this is all HTML based, so I don't need a Java virtual machine. On Explorer, you'll notice the update time is quite a bit slower, maybe perhaps due to just the underlying technology of the Windows browser. We've got a couple more we can try here. Yeah, it's noticeably slower. I'm going to try Safari now. Safari maybe even a little quicker than Firefox, and lastly we'll open Google's Chrome web browser, and it's probably the fastest of all 4. So there you can see how cross-platform it is. It's very easy to set up, and thanks for watching.